Imagine a world where you could shape your network infrastructure like clay. Welcome to the realm of software-defined networking, or SDN. SDN is like a puppet master, pulling the strings of the network components. It separates the control plane, the brain of the network, from the data plane, the brawn doing the heavy lifting. Think of a busy intersection. Without a traffic controller, it would be chaos, right? SDN is that controller managing routers, switches, firewalls, and load balancers. But the magic doesn't stop there. SDN means centralized control, agile networks, and reduced costs. It's like having a network that can shape-shift according to your needs. With SDN, you're not just responding to network challenges, you're anticipating them. So, step into the future of networking with SDN. For more, visit www.batternetworks.com. Shape your network, shape your world.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.